Hi everyone, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Well, winters are here and in this season I feel super lazy to wake up, get out of my blanket, get out of my warm cozy blanket and do the makeup for the day. I really hate it. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how you can look presentable without using any makeup. So I'm very excited. Let's begin. So the first thing that you of course have to do is wash your face. When I wake up, the first thing that I do is wash my face, and that's obviously very important. Now in summers, I used to use extremely cold water with like ice also to wake my skin up, and it really makes a difference if you wash your face with warm water, which you should not. In winters also, I try to use cold water for my face wash, and try it and you'll see a difference for yourself. Alright guys, so after you've washed your face, the next thing we're gonna go in is for a moisturizer. Now I have actually applied my moisturizer already for this video, and it really makes your skin super hydrated, super plump, super juicy, and you should definitely never skip on this step. I actually carry like a tiny moisturizer in my bag all the time when I'm going out, and I like to slap it on my face, and especially in this winter season, a layer of thick, nice moisturizer actually acts like a barrier between your skin and the climate, and it really dries out, right? So the next thing is a moisturizer. Take loads of it, especially when you're not using makeup. Use a lot of moisturizer so that it gives you like a nice layer for your skin. Now, the next thing, which is actually going to be the showstopper for this look, is actually it's the main product that I wanted to introduce to you all, and this is something which I actually use when I don't want to wear makeup, and that is most days. So the product that I'm currently in love with is Ikkai's Get Lit Illuminator. This is how the packaging looks like. Look at this cute yellow color, guys. I'm obsessed with the packaging from this brand. Now this is in the shade Gold Matte Gloss. Now I'll explain you quickly what exactly a strobe cream or a moisturizer is. This actually is not a makeup product. This is a moisturizer, but it has some gold particles, and this one actually has 24K gold particles. So this will give like a very highlighted and illuminated effect on your skin. This actually it's almost like highlighter mixed into moisturizer. Are you understanding? So this is what a strobe cream is. Now I will quickly apply it and show you the effect of it on my skin. So I'm going to take like 2 pumps of this, which is actually a lot because it's really thick. Talking about the consistency, guys, I'll show you at the back of my hand first. This is how the consistency of the product is. It's in the gold matte shade. Now I will take this and start applying on my face. So I'm going to be taking this and spreading it all across my face because I need like a glow from within. You know, when you're using a highlighter, you use it on specific areas, but this one I'm going to be using it all over my face for that extra highlighting, and this blends actually really quickly. And also it's super smooth. I mean, I'm using this product since 2-3 weeks now, and I'm obsessed with this. So the shine that it gives to your face is actually not like into your face. It's really subtle and natural, and that's actually the kind of look that I like. It's like the perfect when you don't want to wear makeup and just have to go outside and also look presentable. I think this is the only product which is going to be a go-to. Also, I'm not going to apply anything else on my face because I really want my shine to come from within, and I love it, as you can see. Now, let's move on. The next thing that you can actually do to make yourself dressed up and ready for the day is actually your brows. This is something that a lot of people actually don't pay a lot of attention to, but your brows actually have the power to frame your face. To do my brows, I'm going to be using this really small tiny spoolie brush, and literally just going to brush this like this. That's it, and it really makes a difference. Try it and you will see a difference when you brush them and before brushing them. It's just a minute step, but it makes a lot of difference. Face looks more defined. Let's move on. So you have washed your face, you have used loads of moisturizer for that hydration, and you have also used an illuminating strobing cream / moisturizer, and we have brushed our brows. What do we need to do now? I think we should give some color to our face, and by that we can use a balm. We're not using makeup here, we're using a balm because it will give you hydration, it will moisturize your lips and make your lips feel very smooth. So I'll be using this tinted lip balm that I have with me, and I will just take this use it on my lips, and I'll be taking the same lip balm. Now the next thing that I'm going to do after my lips is just going to take the same balm and put it on my cheeks. So guys, we've used the lip balm on the lips, on the cheeks, a little bit over the eyes if you want to. I did it a little bit, and yeah, we have some color on my face now, which I really like. And also lip balm is also like a skincare thing, so kind of no damage. And finally, our goal to look presentable without using makeup is fulfilled. I really like how it looks really natural. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and also comment down below what you think of this video and what you want me to film next. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.